What's going on? This is Markie Williams and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should be priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Enjoy the tutorial and all the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any training, hobbies, or DIY projects you may want to pick up. Also comment below as to what you would like to get certified in and I can personally send you a link to check out. So let's get started. When it comes to building, or better yet, designing your own immersive game box or gaming room, there's a lot to consider, such as the size of the room plays a major part when it comes to inviting your friends over. So creating a gaming room in your bedroom could be a bit cramped depending on your count of your gaming buddies and the size of the room, but this is totally up to you. If possible, a basement, or if you have some garage space, but these two options could leave you with an expensive issue when it comes to soundproofing. So let's just start out small and focus on creating an immersive game box for your bedroom on a budget. Location is key when setting up your gaming room, so always keep the screen and seating arrangements in mind while figuring out and choosing the perfect placement for your gaming setup. While putting your gaming console right next to your bed or couch may be tempting, it's not a good idea. Also, keeping all the electrical and electronic equipment away from areas where people walk and sit. To minimize glare on your screen for any natural light, pay close attention to where the windows are in relation to your setup to reduce distraction. You need a dedicated gaming area for this tutorial, and it will be a large bedroom, and of course it would include a large enough gaming desk, comfortable gaming chairs, with a small couch and enough space to add your monitors and additional equipment such as headphones and extra controls, in which I will have a bunch of cool links down below for you to check out regarding these items I'm mentioning here in this tutorial. Chances are by now your games and gaming equipment inventory has already built up, and you may have many games stacked in a corner or in a large plastic storage somewhere, so let's get organized. The best solution for this is to install a game shelves. You can either build them yourself or buy ready-made ones. These shelves are great and are extremely helpful as well. You can neatly arrange all of your games on these shelves to free up much needed space for your equipment. Time to light up the room. Adding lighting trims to your desk, furniture, and walls can give you more light to enhance your immersive gaming room. LED strips lighting is so popular with the gamers, as you can buy LED lighting that is adjustable with various colors to help you change the lighting when needed, and along with some game room wall decor as well. If you ever hosted a gaming marathon, you know that games can get quite nosy. Aside from hollering and screaming, while the clatter of buttons and joysticks is part of the fun, it is good to invest in soundproofing materials for your gaming room. So some of the best soundproofing materials include cork, rubber, and fabrics. You can also install soundproof doors and acoustic tiles to reduce the noise level. I got those links down below. When it comes to game room ideas on a budget, you may want to get a decent sized monitor, but when it comes to projectors, you can actually get a really nice one, 1080p with 4K for about $300 and really enhance the visual and to help you get more into the game. When it comes to building your own immersive game box, when you got the visual experience enhanced, the other idea that goes hand in hand is the sound. A lot of gamers go with the typical soundbar with the subwoofer, but purchasing a decent surround sound and placing those speakers around the room, simply mind-blowing. There's nothing more absolutely worse than stepping and tripping over cables that are laying all over the place. A cable management kit will take care of all that mess for you, clean up those wires and make it look a lot professional. From proper headsets, microphones, to storage, where I'll also leave some links down below on them, designing a perfect gaming room is both challenging and fun. But before you start, it's best you sit down and list everything you want in your new gaming space. Think about the layout, lighting, and other design elements that are important to you. There are many ways to design your immersive game box room. You can opt for modern or classic styles, or get really creative and come up with your own unique designs with a twist. All you need to do is follow these simple tips and start designing your ideal gaming room today. Many thanks for taking some time to check out my tutorial. All the links will be down in the description below. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any trending DIY, hobby, passion project courses you may want to pick up. Comment below "done" and I will reply back. There's also a playlist I have created so you can go straight to that instead of scrolling through my channel. Please make sure you check out these courses as well that's floating around right here. And always remember to learn something new and share it to the world. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.